guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to deal with the Django signal. So the Django signal can handle the model. When the model are going to change, then it will notify, it will send the signal to the receiver, and then we can do the extra things. So let's suppose in our case, if we are uploading this file, and then it will automatically catch this signal from the receiver, and then it has to upload it to the PostgreSQL database as the zip file. So for that, I'm going to use this post save signal. Here in the Django signal, you can see the 4 type of signal basically. The most important signals, so pre-save, post-save, pre-delete, and post-delete. So, but for now, I'll just create the post-save signal and then work with this. So for that, I have to go to the models.py file, and then I can import some of the couple of things. So I'll import the signal from django.db.models.signal. I'll import the signal post-save signal, and then I think I'll need post-delete as well. I'll just import it here, and then I have to import django.dispatch import receiver. So yeah, after that I can write my signal below this model file. So it is, let me comment here this file model, and then I can just write the receiver, and then it's the post save signal, and then sender is the user. So after that I can actually create my function. So what it will do is it will publish the data. Publish data means the zip file, and then it will take the parameter is the first parameter is sender, and then second parameter will be the currently created instance, and then third parameter will be created, and then cover keywords. Yeah, and then here I can write my function to which can publish the zip file to our actual database. So I can write this here. And what if we delete some data from our model? So what I mean is, what if we delete this test file? It should be deleted through our database as well. So for that we also need the signal. That's why I imported this post delete signal. So let me write for this post delete, and then sender is the SHB. Sorry, here as well sender will be SHB, and then is the delete data signal. So sender instance created, the parameter will be same. So here I can write the delete functionality, which can delete the data from PostgreSQL as well. So now the basic structure of signal is ready to go. So maybe I can write here about the data loading functionality using the GeoPandas and SQL Alchemy, and then the delete functionality I can write it from the from GeoServer REST. So yeah, I'll write these 2 functions in the next video. I'll see you in the next.